Look me in my eyes, notice me when I arrive. They try wear me down, my motto is look alive. Sunlight Drake, I keep up with the pace, yeah.
Hey y'all.
Hey.
welcome back to my channel. If you guys never seen me before, this is a raspy voice. My voice is not always this raspy, but anyways, the point is, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria. If you've never seen me before, today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to be showing you, well, I'm going to be showing her, but showing y'all how to start a YouTube channel. This is a question that I literally get from people that I know, people that I don't know, people that I used to know. Everybody wants to know, how do you make money on YouTube? How do you start? There's a lot that goes into YouTube, but I'm just going to show you guys what I'm showing her today, and it's literally just how to start. And I do want to say that the first step is really to just decide what do you want to make your YouTube video about and why you want to do YouTube. Why do you want to do YouTube?
I want to do YouTube because it look lit and I'm ready to show people my life, you know what I'm saying?
So the thing is, like, she's a DJ. I don't know if you guys know her, DJ Beauty and the Beatz. You gotta know her because, like, she was on Super Sweet 16 on MTV. So, like, what's that? Period, poo. So basically, she wants to do this because you guys know her on her professional side already. So it's kind of like you want to know her on a more personal side.
Right.
Or she wants you to know her,
on
like
on a more personal side.
Exactly.
Side, you know?
Exactly. So
Get into
basically,
my life, you know, I can hear about y'all's life, you know.
Right. So we're gonna find a little location and then, you know, get into starting her YouTube. So let's talk about this highlight. Anyways, this video is not about me. This video is about her. What did you say?
Let's talk about this highlight.
We're about to record her intro. That's step number 2, you guys. Step number 2 is record your intro. In your intro, you want to tell your viewers what they can expect. Fun fact, I did do an intro when I started YouTube, but I deleted it. Or I think I like made it private or something. But I did do this. So yeah, we're going to get into it.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, DJ Beauty. Let me start over. What's poppin', pimpin'? It's your girl, Beauty and the Beatz, also known as Beauty, and you may know me from DJing some of the hottest events. I DJed for the Obamas, I've DJed for movie premieres. Man, I've done a lot, and I've also DJed my own MTV Super Sweet 16 birthday party. I know y'all seen that.
We just finished shooting her intro on this baby right here. This is a Canon T6i for anyone who cares. But yeah, so we just finished doing her intro. It was pretty lit. I think we're gonna go to another location just to try to get some more, because you know, you really want your intro, if you're gonna do an intro, you don't have to do an intro, but if you're gonna do an intro, you really want it to get your viewers, you know, interested. So that's what we're gonna do. First of all, look at the sun. Look at the sun. Like,
what's poppin', pimpin'? It's your girl, DJ Beauty and the Beatz, also known as Beauty. You may know me from my gig with the, my bad. What's poppin', pimpin'? It is your girl, DJ Beauty and the Beatz, also known as Beauty.
Hey y'all, we got it. So I'm not sure if we're gonna use both videos. We might honestly just pick one and then get a bunch of her not promo, but like DJing videos, throw that in there, make it super lit. But basically, that's how you do the intro. I'm just gonna put her intro at the end so you guys can see how it came out. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video now because I'm probably not gonna come back after I show you guys her intro. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you guys to start your intro. You know, think of why you want to do YouTube, think of what you want to say in your intro, what you want to offer to the people who watch your channel, and comment below if it helps, and comment below if you subscribe to her channel, because I'm definitely gonna link it below. Bye.
What's poppin', pimpin'? It is your girl, DJ Beauty and the Beatz, also known as Beauty. You may know me from DJing for the Obamas, or you may know me from DJing for the hottest movie premieres or the hottest parties, including my own MTV's My Super Sweet 16. Guess what? I want to let y'all into my personal life because I'm tired of y'all only knowing me for my professional life. So we about to get in this thing. We about to get into it. Ooh, see ya.
Look me in my eyes, notice me when I arrive. Pretty girl with a big boy Benz on me. Yeah. There's lo-fi on this one. Pretty girl with a big boy Benz. Yeah. Ooh, look at how I move. Yeah, he pulled up in a coupe. Now they wonder where's the. Ooh,